Headers and footers appear at the top and bottom of the pages in a document, used for notations, repeating information, and page numbers, to name a few. Double-click at the top of the document and you'll see the header and footer sections appear. To exit the header and footer mode, double-click in the main body of the document. I want to add the text Acme Internal Document to the top of each page, so let's select that line and cut it to the clipboard using Ctrl-X. Now double-click at the top of the page to get back to our header-footer mode and press Ctrl-V to paste in our text. Double-click again in the main body to exit header-footer mode, and let's scroll through the document. Word has automatically added our header to each page for us. Let's add a footer to our document by double-clicking at the bottom of the page. Notice at the top we get the header and footer tools with a design tab. I like these header-footer drop-downs here. Let's select the footer drop-down and scroll through all the predefined formats. I like this retrospect template here as it matches our document, so let's select that.